Alright, welcome back to the Wix Sampler tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a link that is a phone number clickable so that users can call you. So that is very easy to do. Down here in our template we have a phone number. We're just going to click on that and then click on Edit Text. We want to make sure we have our font the way we want it. We have the text the way we want it, the phone number. Click on Link, and then we go here and click on Phone Number. And we just type in the phone number. And we have our phone number typed in and hit done. And that is all you need to do. Now when a user clicks on that in your website, they will be able to call you right from that link. Let's go ahead and publish. And we're going to stop that. Welcome back to the Wix Sampler tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a phone number link clickable so that users can click on it and call you. So down here at the bottom of my template we have a text and its telephone number. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And we've already got the phone number in there. If you need to change it, you can just click Edit Text, put in the phone number you want. Click on Link. We're going to make this a phone number link. And then we just have to put in the phone number that we want people to call. And that's it. We're all done. Now it's a clickable link. Just have to publish it and we're done.